my name is Alexandra and welcome to my studio. On September 9th, I announced my mystery knit along and it's called I'm Dragon. And if you're on Ravelry or any other social websites and you see this icon and it says I'm Dragon MKAL 2018, click on it. So that's the one I'm talking about. So inspiration for this, since it's a mystery, I cannot go into too many details what's about, but I just will give you some idea of inspiration and the supplies that you need. So the name I'm Dragon is inspired by kind of like years of watching and reading Lord of the Rings, The Hobbit, Game of Thrones, King Arthur, everything medieval, everything has to do with mythology and legends about dragons. So the idea is when you wear this piece, you will magically transform into a dragon. And actually, even that the icon for this design is feminine, I actually intended this as a unisex piece. So I'll show you on the clue number 3 how to style it. And I think guys could totally wear it. So I would have a slightly different way of styling for men, but so it's not as feminine, but it's totally unisex piece in my opinion. So about this painting, I have to say I'm simply obsessed over it. It's so bizarrely beautiful and strange. So this is Saint Margaret, and if you never heard about her, her legend is pretty cool. And she was a badass saint. So I'll find a link and post it for you below the video, but she is pretty interesting. And this particular painting, it's a copy, but original was done by an unknown artist in 1450. So I made a copy for myself on the wood. So it's actually kind of hard and heavy piece, and I have it next to my desk because I'm obsessed over it. I just love it. And this painting perfectly reflects the mood of this design. So that's why I chose it. It was just perfect. So I'm very lucky for this design to work with Ancient Arts yarn company, and those guys know about yarn. They understand color perfectly, so they have just beautiful array of colorways, and just it's like you don't have to choose the colors I chose. I'm kind of going with the mood of this icon of this painting, but you can get in touch with your own inner dragon and pick the color you would like. So the whole project will take only one skein fingering weight yarn, and just so it's not a big project, but trust me, it's not going to be boring, and it's different, and it's probably would be one of the best projects to use one skein of yarn. So I promise you that. So I chose for this design 2 colors, and it would be 2 different projects, one without beads and one with beads. So without beads, I'm going with black cherry, and it's kind of picking up flowers from Saint Margaret, flowers on the top of your head. And the one which reflects the gold is called Aztec Gold. And this yarn is 75 superwash merino, 25 silk, and you will need about 437 yards. You're not going to use all of it, so you will need about 400 yards for the whole project. Also, so for the beads, for this, I pick a golden one, and you will need between 120 and 115. It depends. Well, I'll tell you in clue 3, you will have option to use more beads for some element. But I would suggest to get your number 6 beads, like a smaller package, about 17 grams. So that would be plenty. So you will need so 1 skein of yarn with beads or without beads. You have 2 options. 14 stitch markers. That's important to keep you kind of into, just it would be easier for you to count repeats, and a roll counter for sure. So I use it all the time, and you will need that just to keep you on track. Needles. You will need 2 needles, and I'm using, as always, Chiago I twist This is my favorite needles of all time. I use only Chiago. So US 3, 32 inches long, and the same length, 32 inches, US 1.5. But you will need the smaller needles only on the third clue. So you will start with US 3. Also, you will need magnetic snaps, and I made quite a few projects, well, not projects, but samples, and I find that those ones would have the best finish, and it's just perfect to have it, you know, the style the way I recommend, and I'll show you how to style it when we're done. So this one is a magnetic snap that you sew on, and you can get it in craft stores or order it online. They're now available and they're wonderful. So definitely get one of those. So the way it works, so if you want to participate in the mystery KAL, you have to, you play it by purchasing a pattern, and I'll have a link below this video. And what you would be able to do is download 2 pages, and one is for beaded project, another for not beaded, and it will give you all information on the supplies you need. And on the website, on Reverly, you know, link there, you will find the schedule for you know, when I'm going to be publishing clues, and it will be in October. It will be divided by 3 clues. So it's 1 skein of yarn. It's not going to take you too long, but I hope you're going to make more than one I'm Dragon, because that's what I'm doing. So almost for every outfit I have, it's just, and I just, you know, I can't wait to wear it, honestly. So what else I wanted to tell you? Inspiration. So this is a mood. Get 1 skein of yarn. Ancient Arts on the website, I'll post a link. They have a special kits for this project, and they have gorgeous choice of colors, and so I really suggest this yarn. Or you can dive into your stash. I'm sure all of you have 1 skein of yarn that you really kind of orphaned and want to use for this, for something special. This is the project. So very excited. I hope to see you there, you know, like a participating in a mystery knit along. And also I have in my Revelry group, I have a chat about this design. So if you decided to participate, click on it, and I'll see you in the chat, and you can ask any questions, and you will see what other people are working on. So we'll see you soon, because, you know, I'll be publishing more videos as the clues are published. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye.